Hey, this is Colton with 3D Mats, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the multi-purpose transforming roof basket from 3D Mats. There's a lot that goes into this assembly, so we're going to break it down for you and take you through step by step. Okay, first thing to note is that this roof basket is solid. It can hold up to 150 pounds, so I highly recommend you getting someone to help you with the installation. Also, your vehicle will need a crossbar roof rack to install this product, and so we highly recommend the universal car roof rack, also from 3D Mats. First, you're going to install the supplied foam buffer bars onto the outer rails. These fit very snug, so a great trick is to spray soapy water directly onto the bar to enable you to slide them into place. One buffer bar goes in the middle, and two go on each corner of the outer rail. Okay, now you'll be attaching the outer rails to the inner rails using the supplied bolt assembly. It's easy to get the order of the parts mixed up, so we'll show you the proper order here to make it easy. First, slide in the bolt with one fitted nut and a rubber washer against the outer rail. Then attach another rubber washer followed by a fitted nut which fits up against and matches the shape of the outer rail. Then another fitted nut, which is reversed from the previous one, and then another rubber washer. Now slide the remaining exposed bolt through the inner guardrail. Finally, attach another rubber washer followed by the last fitted nut which fits the shape of the inner rail, and then attach the final nut onto the bolt and finger tighten. Now repeat this process 3 more times across the roof basket, attaching the outer rails to the inner rails. Next, use the supplied Phillips screwdriver and wrench to hold the nut stationary, allowing you to tighten the bolt until it's snug. You can also use a power drill in conjunction with a 13mm socket wrench to speed up the process. Okay, now we're going to fit either end of the roof basket together. If you are installing the middle extension rack, it will slide into either end like so, but make sure you slip the waterproof rubber rings on first, which will then slide over the seam to prevent any moisture from getting inside. If you're not installing the extension rack, you are going to slide these C-type stainless steel inserts in between each end of the roof basket, making sure the drilled holes on the inserts are facing outwards, and then you'll attach the waterproof rubber rings to either side as well. A quick tip, you'll want to both push at the same time when fitting the basket together. This makes it much easier and helps to avoid getting it jammed at a crooked angle. Next, attach the foldable side railing panels using the smaller bolt assembly that's provided. Again, you can use the supplied wrench or you can switch to a 10mm socket, which works great as well. Now before we head back over to the vehicle, it helps to prep the 4 roof basket clamps. Now these will be what actually attach the basket to the roof rack. Attach the grip strip onto each clamp by removing the adhesive cover on the back and attach it to the top. Getting the roof basket in place is simple. Just lift with a partner and slide it into place, making sure that the basket is placed directly in the center of the vehicle. Now the roof basket attaches by 2 bolts coming down through a metal bracket which attaches on top of the basket railing. The 2 bolts then attach to the clamp bottom, which will grip to the underside of your vehicle's crossbar. Use the supplied Allen wrench on top to tighten each bolt assembly until snug. You can adjust the outer bar configurations of the roof basket by simply raising them up and snapping them into each guardrail clip. The side railing panels fold out easily as well. Final note here, if you are installing the cargo net accessory with the roof basket, we recommend you work from front to back. Give each clip a good push to attach to the basket. Do note that if you need to secure excessively heavy items to the roof basket, we recommend you use cargo straps or rope rather than just a net to secure those heavy items. Thanks for watching today. If you have any more questions about this product from 3D Mats, you can check the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.